Finding x is easy, but can you prove that the answer you got is correct? That is exactly what we are going to do here. So I would like you to watch to the end and see why the value we got is actually correct or wrong. Welcome back to my channel. So this is an easy but tricky exponential math question. So 5 divided by 1 is actually 5 is actually equal to 5 divided by 1. So if we cross multiply, we have 5 to the power of x times 1, which is 5 to the power of x, is equal to 5 multiplied by what? 40. Okay, now if you look at this, what do we do next? You will notice that our x is the exponent, so we're actually going to introduce log on both sides of the equation. So introduce log on both sides. All right, so if you do that, you're going to have log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 5 multiplied by what? 40. Now we're going to apply a law of logarithm. Now this law states that log a raised to the power of b is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, so if we apply that here, that means this x will come down to multiply log 5. So we have x log 5 is equal to log 5 multiplied by 40. All right, now let's look at another law of logarithm that we can apply here. Now this law states that log a multiplied by b is equal to log a plus log b. Log a multiplied by b is equal to log a plus log b. So that means that we can rewrite this as x log 5 is equal to log 5 plus log 40. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by log 5, right? Divide both sides by log 5. And we will have x log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to log 5 plus log 40 divided by log 5. Okay, now log 5, we remove log 5 and we have x is equal to, now if this is the first time you are seeing this beautiful and lovely channel, please click the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our videos. If you don't subscribe, this might be the last time you will see me, but if you know you are enjoying what you are seeing, you need to subscribe now so that you don't miss my next video. All right, and comment, let me know what you feel about what I'm doing. I'll be there in the comments reading. Thank you so much. So looking at this, we have x is equal to log 5. Let's distribute the denominator. Log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 40 divided by log 5. All right, now log 5 will divide itself to give us 1. So that means that our x is equal to, so this will now give us 1 plus log 40 divided by log 5. So if we solve further, remember I said getting the value of x might be a bit easy, but proving it, that is where the work is. So stay tuned till we prove the answer we got is correct. Okay, so we now have x is equal to 1 plus, now log 40 can be expressed as log 8 multiplied by 5, right? Divided by log 5. So if we apply the law of logarithm here again, we will have x is equal to 1 plus log 8 plus log 5 divided by log 5. So our x will be 1 plus, if we distribute the denominator, log 8 over log 5 plus log 5 over log 5. Sorry, I need to rewrite this here. It's actually okay. So now we have x is equal to 1 plus. So we have log 8 over log 5 here. I will rewrite it. And this is log 5 over log 5. Now, log 5 will divide itself to give us 1, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. But 8 is 2 to the power of 3. 8 is 2 to the power of 3. So our x will be 2 plus log 2 to the power of 3 divided by log 5. Now, as well, we are going to apply the power rule here. So 3 will come down, all right? So I'm trying to simplify this as much as I can because I need it while proving the answer. So I need it to be in its simplest form. So we have x is equal to 2 plus, this 3 will come down, 3 log 2 divided by log 5. But log A over log B, change of base rule, says that this is equal to log A base B. All right? Now that means that we can write this as x is equal to 2 plus 3 log 2 base 5. Now this is the value of our x. So to the main thing, the main reason of shooting this video, let us prove that the answer we got is correct. Okay? So we have that 5 to the power of x divided by 40 is equal to 5. Now let's put x here. If we substitute x there, we have 5 to the power of 2 plus 3 log 2 base 5 divided by 40 is equal to 5. Now remember that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, right? That means that we will have 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3 log 2 base 5 divided by 40. Is this equal to 5? Remember, we are not yet sure, right? Okay. So we have 5 to the power of 2 is 25 multiplied by 5 to the power of, this 3 will go up to become 2 to the power of 3. So we have log 2 to the power of 3 base 5 divided by 40. Now, is this equal to 5? Okay. So we have 25 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 8 base 5 divided by 40. Is this equal to 5? Now, I want you to recall that a raised to the power of log b base a, okay? This and this, once they are the same, this is equal to b. Now, moving forward, remember we are proving that whether the answer we got is correct or not. So moving forward, we have 25 multiplied by, you can see that this and this are the same. So we have 8 divided by 40. Now, is this equal to 5? 8 will go into itself 1, go into 45. 5 will go into 25, 5. So you can see that 5 is equal to 5. And that proves that we are correct. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.